Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you my favorite way of cleaning up an image: frequency separation. Frequency separation is a technique that allows you to isolate shadow, tone, and color information from the finer details of an image, enabling independent adjustments to each. Typically, this involves creating a high-frequency layer and a low-frequency layer. So our first step is to select our top layer and copy merge all layers by hitting Shift, Ctrl, Alt, and E, or Command, Option, Shift, and E for Mac. Now select that layer and go up to Window and click on Action. Now let's import our action. Go to the hamburger icon. Go down to Load Action. Locate the action in the tutorial material and click Load. Make sure the boxes are checked for both of the medians. We need those to pop up during the action so we can change the values if needed. Now go over here and select it and click Play. Sometimes we need to adjust this depending on the image. The higher you push it, the more information gets sent to our high-frequency layer. I normally stay between 8 and 12. Most of the time, I don't even mess with it. 10 normally works fine. Click OK. It's going to pop up twice, so leave it at the same number you set it to. The high-frequency layer captures fine details such as hair, texture, pores, lines, and skin features. Let's turn this off so we can see our low-frequency. Low-frequency layer encompasses our shadows, tones, and colors of our image. We only want to be working in our high and low working layers. That way, if we mess up, we can duplicate our high or low FS layers and start again. All right, let's start cleaning up this image. Turn our high-frequency layers back on and zoom in this area. Now grab the pen tool and create a path around the area we want to clean up. Right-click and make a selection. 0.5 should be fine for this. Click OK. Get the clone stamp tool and turn the hardness all the way up. You want to start with a clean area to sample from, so let's remove these dirt spots. I prefer a line is unchecked because I can paint some, and once I release the mouse button, it will go back to where I sampled it from. Always try to sample near the area you're trying to clean up. Sometimes you can't, and that's okay. Now we can remove the glare. Take a sample from the area we cleaned. Looks like we will have to go to our low frequency layer and brush the white away. The texture is off, so let's sample near the end of the glare and blend it better. That looks good. All right, let's go to our low FS working layer and start removing the white left over from the glare. Grab your mixer brush tool. If you don't see it, click and hold on the brush tool, and brush tool options will appear. Set your brush hardness to 0, and let's turn off the high frequency layers. Now let's start brushing this away. If your brush isn't working like mine, just copy my settings and dial it to your liking. If your brush is skipping, go to the brush settings and under brush tip shape, make sure the spacing is set to 1%. Turn our high frequency layers back on and see how it's looking. It's looking pretty good, just need to blend it a little better. All right, now let's clean up this little area here. Grab the pen tool and create a path around the area. Right-click and create a selection. Now grab the clone stamp tool and start cleaning it up. Let's turn this off and see what's on the low frequency. It looks like it's only on the high frequency. Let's go around and clean up some. If you unclip the high FS working layer, you can see what's on the high frequency better. Let's clip it back. This is pretty much all it is to high frequency separation. I'm just gonna go around to clean up random stuff. This is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.